Welcome to 1770 Sioux Trail in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home built in 2018. It has gutters on the front side of the house and the back side of the house, as well as hurricane coverings. Hardy plank siding on the exterior with some beautiful landscaping here in the front entryway. We have a glass front door here, allowing for plenty of natural light to come into the foyer, to the main entry of the home. So coming in here, we have the garage entryway just on your right-hand side over here. Into the main living area, very spacious open floor plan here. We have tray ceilings in the living room as well. Very nice detail with recessed lighting. This is a split floor plan, so you have the master bedroom on the opposite side of the house of the additional 3 bedrooms, which gives you a little bit of privacy. Into the kitchen here, we have a breakfast bar with gorgeous quartz countertops and a very tastefully done subway tile silver backsplash here. I just love this backsplash feature in this kitchen. Stainless steel appliances with the built-in microwave, and the refrigerator also comes with a water and ice dispenser as well. We have a walk-in pantry in the kitchen, and as you can see, everything connects nicely with the dining area over here, just off the kitchen. I will take you to the 3 bedrooms on this side of the house. First, on the right here, we have the second bathroom with quartz countertops as well. Soft closed doors and drawers in the cabinetry in the kitchens and baths, with the shower tub combo in this bathroom. The first bedroom here, opposing the bathroom. And there are Levelor blinds in this home as well as regular blinds. So you have blinds on all the windows. And 2 of these bedrooms here, this one and the one I'm about to show you, both have walk-in closets. So plenty of storage in this home. This bedroom here is on the front side of the house with views of the front of the home. Over into the master. First, I want to show you, you have laundry access from the main living area. And I will show you one of my favorite features. We have a closet in the hallway right here. And into the very spacious master suite here. Very, very large master. You can do a seating area if you needed to have a nursery in here. You can definitely do that. There's plenty of space for that in here. Right over there. Very spacious master. Recessed lighting in the master bedroom as well as a tray ceiling. And into the master bathroom here, we have a double vanity with quartz countertops. Very modern and sleek in here. A water closet over here on the right-hand side, with this gorgeous walk-in shower. No shower curtain needed here. We have a beautiful piece of glass with some penny rounds here on the floor. Very nice detail. And plenty of storage in here as well. This flows nicely into the sizable master closet. Lots of storage. And this is one of my favorite features in the new construction that you're seeing more and more, is that the laundry room connects here right into the master closet. So all your hanging clothes can go right where they belong. So lots of storage in here. All right, I will take you out to the backyard. So this home actually resides on just under half an acre. So if you're looking for a very spacious lot, this would be a great option for you. We also have a 13 by 8 covered patio space out here with a ceiling fan. The backyard is a fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. And there is, you see this gate back here goes onto the additional acreage where you could move this fence back if you wanted to make your backyard a little bit larger, even though it is a nice sized backyard. So let me know if you have any questions about this one. This is 1770 Sioux Trail in Gulf Breeze, Florida.